Alright, so I picked myself up brand new tool, Ridgid oiler. The one I had was all beat up, and well, I probably would have had to replace the gun, but I figured, you know what, let me just get a brand new friggin' oiler. Comes with new oil for cutting, and what I did already, inside's all ready to go. It came like this already. I guess they must have tested it before they sold it. Okay, so let's lock this in. I also, because I picked it up actually 2 days ago, but now I'm actually gonna put oil in and test it. I put seal lock thread compound where I threaded this together when I first bought it a couple days back. So I gave it a couple days to harden because it takes a little time to become tougher and tougher. So let's see if this thing works. I mean, it's got oil in it, so it should. But I like new tools. I don't buy them too often. But I mean, the oiler I had was really beat up. So let's pour the oil in. Let it sink through. It's gonna make its way. I could have actually just poured the oil on the bottom, but what fun is that? Rather just send the oil this way through. Well, at least through the bottom I would know that I covered the strainer piece for the pump, the hose connection. Well, there we go. We're going. So, dripping through. Because in order for this to work, I do have to make sure that the oil is covering that strainer, so this way that strainer could suck in. And it's almost there. I know, everybody's like, no, just friggin' go straight in, just go straight in. What are you doing? What are you doing? Not like it's gonna take long. That's about to go right in now. I mean, I'm good enough now where I could test my pump. I know oil returns. I'm probably gonna have a rag in here all the time, just so the oil goes through the rag and back in, but it keeps the metal shavings and crap from plugging up the holes. Okay, I could get the rest in later. It's not like end of the world. Now for this, I have to pump and prime it to make the oil come out. So obviously I have enough in. You can see that's buried. So and lock it. Now I got to get the air out of my pump. So I should be almost bled out, and oil should be coming through. There we go. There we go. Now I'm primed. I felt the suction, which means I'm not going to have air probably coming out on this squeeze. There you go. All right, my new oiler. It's up and running, ready to thread some friggin' black pipe. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Well, my new tool, the Ridgid 413 oiler. I think it was the 413. I mean, yeah, 418 oiler, and well, oil's coming out so much better. But I mean, the strainer on the other one was friggin' disgusting. This thing leaked everywhere. I had to replace all the seals on the gun if I was gonna keep it. I'm gonna pop it back into this box just till I get home, and then it can go into the garage until I actually need it. I don't care if the oiler has oil on it, because that's pretty much where the gun is gonna stay. Now let's put that there, and what I'm gonna do is I'm tucking the hose in. Okay, the handle can go that way, and hey, I'm just gonna leave this like that. Let whatever wants to come out, come out. I mean, where's it gonna fall? Nowhere. Till next time, guys. I can't wait to use my new tool. Peace.